What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. YouTube channel no? Today what we're gonna do VS hybrid battery pack. We just got it a new one. We just go here and order from AutoZone and it's brand new, okay? And we go to the me and my brother right here, we go to the dealership, right?
Yeah, we go to dealership, right?
And they don't let us order the battery pack. No, but Toyota dealership ni atiram ni le order at ni ba, no. We lo ni Toyota le ti ba chon su ka le I lo do ba pin ni na. And the dealership was told us you got to bring your car over here, drop off your car over here, and we're gonna reinstall it for you guys. We just go to the AutoZone and order it. So we got the hybrid battery pack, brand new, and we got all the safety sheet over here, and so everything, the detail, the guideline or stuff like that, you know. So today we're gonna go over. We're gonna throw this hybrid battery pack into the Toyota Prius, that one right there. No, because Pinura, Tatoi, Le Cabuno, Hodane, Pocotrotiniani, dog, or Coquala. Okay, now we already got the hybrid battery in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the two bolt right here, 10mm bolt. And so we're gonna go ahead and remove that. Okay.
A table.
Get number 10. Okay, Papa Berry will not kind of tore up now. More I know you had no cheer. That carrot to it.
Ta bộ cái sao? Giá bộ các loại.
Need to check here, huh? About a covered beam. We're gonna take out this cover because we have to unplug the wire line over here. So yeah. Okay. Oh, we got it out. So okay. To wire line over here, see that? We're gonna go ahead and put that on. So okay, I'll let you know your phone. Okay, now we're gonna remove these two bolts. Okay, kind of opinion. So this one is gonna be reinstall the battery hybrid pack. Okay. Now we got the battery connected, but I already lose the negative terminal cable because we still need to work on the hybrid battery pack over here. The ball of battery now, the very negative to bone, bloody Pagaba Maripidine, or the neighbor pina, break a lot of Toro killer of a note. we already finished it with the hybrid battery pack. So I just recording with my phone. So I'm sorry for that, but I have forgot my camera at home today. We test drive a little bit, you know. So we just replace it a hybrid battery pack. So we finished everything said and done, and it run, and nothing was wrong with the car. So we're ready for a emission test. After that, it should be good. Okay guys, this is how you install a hybrid battery pack. Okay, we all set. So here's my brother. Okay, Pobora hybrid battery pack ni wheelie no. Ako na nito tilo, talo kilo pa ki pino kachino there. Where do battery pack the wheelie? Ako na ni. Now time to roll on the road. So if you guys have any question, please leave me comment down section below. I'm gonna link one of my video that I recorded remove a hybrid battery pack down description below. Okay, make sure you guys check it out. Okay, and like I said, just go to the AutoZone. We got a good price at AutoZone. Okay, make sure you guys go shop in AutoZone. Just do it by yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. So this is Devo Fix and my brother. Peace.